All right, fresh off our 8-card hand pay over here, Mama Cash Out's playing some poor card with her. She said she had $200 Wolfie, so I said, you know what? Let's go play with her and play some Wolfies. So, X marks the spot. That's a good one. 2 6s and 3 3s. We missed all the deuces. Let's go.
For a long time.
I haven't had a big Wolfie run bonus ever. I think my biggest is around $300. So, but we're waiting for that one magical. One thing about this game is super turbo, super fast. No, we lost our first one. Ooh. So you're either going to win fast or lose fast. And we were playing Wolfie down to $30, and Cleo Cleo hit for $70. So now we're playing some Wolfie. Ooh, $30 win so far. I would love a retrigger. I haven't had a 5-spot retrigger in a long time. Oh no. Okay, $12 for a mini. Hang in there, 6. Hang in there, 6. There's another mini. Ah, I can't get that retrigger. It's hugely important for retriggers.
Oh, you lost it.
$60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave Wolfie and go to 4-card Keno like my mama. And 121, so I'm going to play a 121 4-card session. Let's go. Let's switch the game. 4-card. We'll go dime maximum bet. Play 320. Slow it down. Erase the board. Play our favorite 4-spot. You guys know that deal. Oh, reliable. Hopefully the party people show up here and give us more free play. All right, 10 cent denomination. Max bet of 320. Let's go. Our old reliable bell. Come on, baby. We had a hand pay again back at Verona in San Diego. We're on a heater of all heaters. Ellen and I were doing the math on all of our wins. We've had the best year ever. But it has come with a challenge. We were chasing big to start the year off. So come on, Mama, let's go. But since August, killing it. Just, ooh, 5 out of 8. 7 out of 8 is worth $1,300. 6 out of 6. Ooh, there's just a near miss again. It's a $30 hit. Already at 40. No, we're already at $26. 7 out of 7 is worth $5,600. If you hit 7 out of 7, you're already well versed in the other game, the other 3 boards. So usually pays a lot more than $5,600. That's why I like the dimes. I don't feel like I have to bet $1 per card. I can bet 80 cents per card, and it still hits a big. Oh, they're coming this way, and then they stopped. Oh, they're going by. They're right there. Fun team. We've been picked a couple times recently in the last month. And they just hand out free money. You get to do the rubber duck game, the pick a little placard game. They have Plinko where you drop a thing down a little tube. And come on, baby. Let's catch another handy tonight. This streak we're on is just incredible. We were chasing a little bit, but now we've won it all back, and then some with that hand pay, so it's always fun. Had dinner in our cafe, and our favorite waitress of all times in there, Matilda. She subscribed to the channel tonight, by the way. She's amazing. She's going to Vegas for the first time in her life tomorrow. Come on. Oh. All right. It's feeling very hitterish. Ellen had almost $300 in that machine. Now she's down to less than it. Just takes one spin, baby.
Yeah, that's what happened over there.
She got on Wolfie and hit the Wolfie bonus on the first spin for $200 and something. Another good start. Oh, 5 out of 7 again. Another $20. Come on, baby. I would love you to have some luck like me. We're at Barona Casino in San Diego, California, and we are on a winning streak. Hope we continue. Let's get a Hampy on 8 card and come over to the 4 card here and beat it up. Yeah, I saw your quarterback Trevor Lawrence got another 2 5 out of 7s. No, he's done. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. I didn't see the injury, but he could barely walk. Come on, 4 card. Ellen's not like she's going to switch machines, slide one over. Ooh, get there. Oh. This is the slowest speed of the machine, so this particular, oh, somebody's won $200. This particular bank has got that super turbo speed, like Wolfie's really fast, Cleopatra's are really, really fast. 4 cards are about the slowest game you can play on this particular bank. But, like I say at Barona, all their Keno games are 838 machines, so if you like your Keno and you're in San Diego, come to Barona. They're all 838s. If you're a Keno player, you know what that means. That's the highest possible payout for 5 spots, which translates to all the payouts are correct. All the payouts are correct in all denominations too. Baby. There's 5. Oh my God! I got him so early. I had like 12 blanks. I thought that was going to be the one right there. Oh my gosh. I got those 5 numbers so early. It's feeling like it's going to do it. It's feeling like it's going to do it. Come on, let's catch another one on camera. Got a lot of fun content for you guys. Check out, we got a bunch of hand pays recently put out. Got a bunch of Let's Meet series videos, interviewing slot channels and viewers, supporters of the channel from all over the world. We got interviews out of the Philippines and all over the country. So we got more lined up. Come on. Ooh. Come on, baby. Are they coming? Oh, they're going right past us. Yeah, gotta make sure we don't get monetized. Oh, he's gonna play right there. Oh, right next to us. They set up shop right next to us. I gotta make sure I keep talking so we don't get demonetized. Oh, he turned it down good. So what's today's game? So you brought the money back over? Well, you never left.
I had $40.
If we get down to $30, we will play Clio. We don't want to play Clio. We want to hit. Come on, baby. Oh, they have these silver envelopes. Come on. All right. You need to hit some here. These are big bets. All right. Got enough for 2 bets. Come on, baby. Last one before Cleo. Looks like Cleo it is. All right. We'll play our Cleo comeback. The Cleo. Yeah, the Cleo comeback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I forgot. It pets the Cleo. It pets the Cleo. Tickles the K spot. Now she's ready. Now she's ready. Come on. Okay, we'll go to $3 bets with $18 to go. Ooh. Come on. Bug. Oh. Last 3. Love you guys. Hit the like and subscribe. Share the channel out. Love you. See ya. Cash out.